Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to divide almost. Some people have a hard time with this. Almost are almost zeros. That's the important one. 0 plus and 0 minus. Everything else is 1 plus is just 1, so it's not that important. So to address this, first let's do an intro. And we always do the same intro. What's this? 4 over 2 is what? Well, you all know that too, because the question in here is how many times does the bottom 2 fit into the top? 4, and that's 2 times. Now, if you get this, any division will always be easy for you. So let's see a few examples. What do you do when you got 4 over 0 plus? Again, the question is how many times a small thing, 0 plus, fits into 4? And 0 plus is so small that it's just like saying how many times does something small fits into a huge thing, or how many times does 0.00000000001 fits into 4? And I had to put many more zeros in here to be close to 0 plus. So, and the answer is in all scenarios the same answer. It goes in a lot of times. How do we say a lot in math? Infinity. In this case, positive over positive, positive infinity. And that's it. It is as simple as that. Now I'm going to show you some examples, but really it is as simple as that. So let's see a few more. What happens when I got 1? Even, you know what? Even worse than that. Half over 0 plus. It doesn't matter because 0 plus is still tiny in comparison to a half, and you get the exact same answer. Okay, a few more. We'll just play around with the signs now. Let's do negative 5 over 0 plus. So again, the bottom fits in the top a lot of times. Again, it's like that. Something small into something huge, so we get infinity. However, negative over positive is negative, so it's negative infinity. One more. What's negative 5 over 0 negative? A very small number which is close to 0, but negative. Again, the ratio between them doesn't change. Something very small in the bottom, something very big in the top. However, negative over negative gives me infinity with a positive sign. So as you saw, it is kind of easy. Just remember that we have division, and division is the same no matter what numbers we plug in. The question is the same. How many times does the bottom fit into the top?